Hi, my name is Mark Nuotio. It's nice to be here in the course with you, and this is my Module 1 assignment. First of all, I'm Canadian. I'm an international teacher. I worked in Nepal, South Korea, also Jamaica, Scotland. Currently, I work in northern China as a grade 2 teacher. I love my sports, my travel, my adventure. I've been to many places, done many things that I'm proud of, especially with charity work and stuff after the earthquake in Nepal when I was there. So that kind of fills in with my motto of live, love, and laugh and help others. And also, I'm married and we're expecting a baby on the way this summer. So a long way to go, but we're obviously super happy. So I looked at 3 areas with regards to technology: the classroom instruction, student achievement, and school improvement. We looked at the impact, and I'll just go over this briefly actually, and the slide is there then after for you to go back and look at if you want to. But actually the impact on our classroom is that we really can find resources fast and find information fast. It reduces the need for textbooks. Oftentimes when textbooks are sent to China from the United States or other places, they don't make it because they're actually screened out through customs in some cases, or you might get the books and pages are ripped out of the books just for censorship of information. I found it hard to believe before I moved here, but that's the reality. It also allows for independent work, such as Khan Academy, Raz Kids. I use Seesaw as well. And it provides different methods for teaching the students, and it also provides different methods for the students to get motivated and engaged with their learning. Some of the implications are sometimes there's too much information thrown at the student and they don't know how to decipher the information or direct it into meaningful learning goals. So it's important for the teacher to be a good facilitator in that aspect. Also, it enhances student learning again through interactive technology, which could be used for children who need some assistive technology or children who may have learning disabilities. With regards to student achievement, technology is great for just tracking results, map testing. We do map testing here as well at our school. We're American International School. And also it offers kids more motivation to get involved with some reading apps such as Raz Kids, where they get stars to build robots and stuff. So all good things. Again, social media distractions. It's one implication, and I also feel my personal philosophy is kind of that data is not everything. It doesn't matter if a kid can do a math problem if he can't relate it to a real world situation. So sometimes people just get caught up on data and not practicality. Again, it motivates the students and they can explore information about the world just from sitting in their classroom. So it's pretty cool as well. It's also preparing in the school. It's also preparing the school for the future of education. It improves the communication system within the school. And one thing we have to think about is, are we using technology that we have to the best of the students' ability? And one battle that school districts and teachers always have is with limited funding. How do we find a good fit for technology? What do we do with our money? What type of computers do we bring in? What do we want our students to achieve through technology, and how can we fiscally do that? So my critique of technology use is that I think I'm getting a lot better, to be honest, with technology over the last few years. I think working with people from different countries has helped that. Working in a professional environment who have a standard goal of using technology in the classroom and adapting to new methods of technology has been beneficial for the students, and they're the reason why we get up and go to work each day. But I think I could be in a more consistent routine with technology, and to my defense, the technology at our school is good, but the internet reliability is not so good. So sometimes I'll have a class set up and to use technology, and then it just won't work. So my safe haven has been not using technology, because I know exactly what will happen, and I don't have to worry if the technology is not working. But I've been getting back to using more and more technology as the internet has been getting better. So my proposal to improve practices is to collaborate more among staff about different programs. One example is just a teacher told me the other day how to use Kahoot as an online fun quiz game. So I've used that in my class, and my children really liked it. Ironically, we work at an American school where the kids pay about $20,000 to $25,000 US a year to go to our school. But in my class, I have 10 students, which is a blessing, but we only have 4 iPads. So I still don't understand why they don't have one-to-one technology. And also, we just need more training on how to use the technology. I think a lot of schools are like that, especially as in technology changes. And proper technology supports. We do have a very good IT department, but I think we just need more better technology, better internet, actually. We're actually trying out different internet companies now to see which is the best. So hopefully it will improve to our satisfaction. And that's about it for me. And it's been very nice meeting you, and I'm looking forward to learning with you, and I hope you all have a good night. Thank you very much.